So I had to move to a woman like a fucking coward. So I'm on a construction site at the moment, and in construction, to get the work done really fast, they bring in a lot of labour. Yeah, they want to push the project along. Yeah, but when the project starts to come to an end, they start to lay people off. Now, most construction sites you go on, they're ruthless. Yeah, because most of them is agency workers, so they don't give a fuck about you. On the day, they will tell you it's your last day. Yeah, it's your final hour. There's no work for you on Monday if it's a Friday. Yeah, but sometimes some of the managers are nice. Some of the managers will tell you, you got 3 days, you got a week, you got 2 weeks. Yeah, one of the man them knows he's got about 2 weeks left on this job, innit? And at this workplace, I was saying as well, like, this workplace has the nicest women that I've been to. Yeah, out of all the constructions that I've been to so far, I ain't been to that much, but I've been to enough to know they don't have as much nice women as they do at this place and other places, innit? And one of the guys was saying, yes, on my final day, there's 3 women that I want to approach, and on that day, my last day, I will go up to all 3 of them and try and get their number. What kind of fucking bullshit am I listening to? That's what man's thinking, you know. Only a fucking coward would tackle a situation like that. Yeah, only a man who's not confident would tackle a situation like that. Now, I know you lot are thinking, if he's got the balls to approach a woman, he must be confident. Alright, cool. He has a tiny bit of confidence. Yeah, but real confidence is not being afraid of the outcome. Yeah, what he's afraid of is getting rejected and having to see these women over and over again. Yeah, if he was really confident, he wouldn't give a fuck if he got rejected or not. But because he's not confident, because he's a coward, he's afraid to see these women again, because he might think less of a man. But you are not less of a man for approaching a woman and getting rejected. You are less of a man for being scared to approach a woman and being fearful of rejection. Then you're less of a man. Yeah? Any guys watching this right now, if you've been rejected by a woman, don't feel like a fool. Yeah? Told you already in them videos about approaching women. Yeah? Don't ever hold back. If you see a girl that you like in the street, approach them. Yeah? But at work, yeah, work's different to the streets. Yeah, I will compare work more closely to being in the club, because on road, it's just you're passing them. Yeah, they ain't got time to see you. You probably won't even see them again, innit? Yeah, so boom, if you want to make a move on a nice girl, do your thing, innit? Yeah, but in the club, you're in a fixed location. Yeah, women can see you, and trust me, they've seen you or they ain't seen you, and if they ain't seen you, it's for a fucking reason. Yeah, just like at work, women are around you constantly. Even if you don't work in the same department, they can be in a different office or whatever, innit? Yeah, they get to see you all the time. If they was interested in you, just like in the club, they would put themselves in your vicinity. Yeah, they would give you the eye. Yeah, you would think to yourself, does this girl like me? Like, you'd be asking yourself that. Yeah, so a guy like that, he's got enough confidence to think to himself, yeah, I'll approach these girls. Yeah, think to yourself right now, yeah, why has he not approached these girls prior to him leaving? It's because he ain't got no signals from these girls. So he's gonna go out there and try and approach women that haven't really given him no proper signals. And trust me, you know when a girl likes you. If a girl likes you, you don't really have to be sitting there like trying to weigh things up. You'd be thinking something in your mind like, I think this girl likes me. Like, nah, man, she must do. Like, her behaviour is a bit more abnormal and a bit different towards me than how the other women treat me and how I see her interact with other guys, isn't it? And a man like that would have made a move. Yeah. So any guy who last ditch attempt, I'm gonna try and meet this woman, you're a fucking coward. You're a pussy, and you deserve not to get that girl's number. Yeah. I want business, but I've even been in a situation as well. Gone out for work, drinks, whatever. And the way the girl was talking at these drinks, like, I know she a bit tipsy or whatever, innit, yeah, but just the energy she was displaying and the questions she was asking and the way she was asking is like, trying to ask man questions like, do you have any kids, like, and who do you live with, like, not, it wasn't a general question, it was almost like to see, do you have a girlfriend, trying to ask them questions without asking. And the way this girl was going on, and she even made a joke, she's like, oh, I fucking love you, like, because obviously man's telling her like how I deal with women and stuff like that. And all them little things there, innit? Now some people say, oh yeah, she's drunk and that, but what do they say about people who are drunk? The truth comes out when you're drunk, yeah? So obviously, next week I've gone back to work and I seen her, because she's not always in my workplace, innit, yeah? And I asked her out, like, to go for some drinks, innit? She's like, oh, I'm seeing someone. Now, she's actually, I think she's actually doing a thing with someone else in the workplace, innit, yeah? But it is what it is, innit, yeah? I know I'm gonna see her, you know, after that I knew I was gonna see her again, but I didn't care. Like, it is what it is, innit? I don't feel embarrassed that, oh, you, even that word, I don't even like that word, oh, you turned me down, so I feel like less of a man. No, I'll still see her, say hello to her, no problem, yeah? Confidence is when you don't give a fuck. Yeah, you get rejected or you get the number. You don't give a fuck what the outcome is, innit? All you know to yourself is like, yeah, boom, I like this girl. I'm going to make a move, innit? Yeah, I feel it's my duty, it's my place to do so, innit? Yeah? So, JY is a bit sicky at the moment, innit? Yeah? But the show must forever go on, so that's how I'm still making these videos with the flu, innit? Yeah. Them type of behaviour there, innit? Yeah, last ditch attempt. That's the equivalent of, you all seen like situations happen and two men are arguing and it's getting really heated, and like someone wants to throw a punch, but no one's really man enough to throw the first punch, and then people break it up and start pulling them back, and man's like, hold me back, get off me, I'll fuck him up. Same kind of thing. Or the police are about to arrive on the scene, so you quickly give a man a box in his face because you know the police are there to stop it, innit? Same kind of situation, them last ditch attempt pussy holes, innit? But me personally, I don't give a fuck if I'm gonna see that girl every single day, or, you know, if I never see her again. It don't matter to me, innit? All I know, like, all I'm thinking in my mind is, I need to move to this girl. You know, I like her, innit? I want to see what she's saying, innit? Yeah, I don't care. Even if she goes and tells people, oh yeah, oh, I'd rejected JYs, whatever, innit? It is what it is, man. People are always gonna mock you in life. People are always gonna reject you. The real confidence is when you don't care about the outcome, innit? And even if the outcome's gonna be embarrassing, it's what you want to do. You're like, fuck everyone. Fuck what people think, innit? I'm doing what I want to do, innit? I'm a fucking man. So that is how to fucking approach women like a fucking coward, yeah? Stay wise.